Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to revamp your synthetic wig. Now I have this wig for over 2 to 3 months and I did a get ready with me. I'll link it in the iCard if you want to check it out, but we're just gonna jump right into it, detangling the hair and getting all of those knots out. So here we're going in and we're detangling the hair using a white comb, after which we'll use a diamond brush just to make sure everything is detangled. So next we're going to wash slash condition the hair. You don't want to use shampoo because what shampoo is going to do is just strip it and then make it more knotted. So we're going to use condition. Here I'm using lukewarm water, tap water that is, and I'm going to go in with this conditioner that I have laying around. I'm going to add it to the water, kind of create like a conditioned water to submerge the hair in for 10 minutes. Now the reason why I did not use a hot water on this hair is that I just kind of feel like it would have melted the hair because it's so light and the hair is so fine. Yeah, I could be wrong, but I just feel like I didn't need to use any hot water with this method. Also, after submerging it for 10 minutes, I'm going to go in with my diamond brush to just make sure I'm keeping the hair tangle free. After removing the excess water, we're going to put it on our mannequin head and then detangle again. It's a lot of detangling, guys. It's a lot of detangling. So we're using our diamond brush and we're just going to run it through before blow drying our hair. Alright, so this is the blow dryer that we're going to use, and we're going to use it on a medium settings, and we're just gonna blow dry the hair until it's dry, focusing on the ends. Alright, so we're finished with the blow drying, and we're going to go in with trimming. So this is how the ends is looking, and it's looking really good compared to how it was before. And this is the razor blade that I'm going to use. Now I wanted to go for like a layered look, but it didn't really work out. So you could just use this video as a reference, like how to get the hair wash and stuff, and then you could definitely style it how you want. But yeah, I'm just going here and adding some layers, and then I'm going to give it like a blunt cut. Obviously I changed my mind with the layering. Alright, so we're going to use this oil, and it's a heat resistant silk oil by Design Essential. I'm going to drop some in my hand and distribute it throughout the hair. Now you don't want to use too much of this oil, just a little, and a little go a long way. After that, we're going to use our flat iron, because we're going to flat iron the hair, you know, make it look silky straight. So the flat iron that I'm going to use is a Baby Bliss Pro. You don't necessarily need to use a specific one. This is what I have at home, and we're going to use it on the gauge 20. So when I'm flat ironing the hair, I only went through the hair once because I had blow dried it very well, you know. So I would recommend just going once throughout the hair. If you feel like the hair need multiple passes, then that's on you to judge, but in this case I only went through the hair once. So guys, the hair is finished. This is how it's looking. It's really silky and beautiful, and I'm going to try it on so you guys could see it. But I really love the hair. It came out really nice. To be honest, I really did not need to cut it. I could have just went in with the flat iron and everything would have been great. Guys, if you want to see how it look, I did do a get ready with me with this hair, and the link for this hair will also be in the description bar down below, so check it out. And I'm gonna show you, as I said, how it looks when I put it on. I didn't glue it down, so excuse if it looks funny on my head. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you were able to learn something from this video. You too can revamp your synthetic wigs, guys. You don't have to throw them out as they get knotty yet, and just cut it, wash it, cut it, lightly press it, and you're good to go. Now if you're new to my channel and you like beauty and lifestyle videos, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I love to have you here. If you're able to learn something from this video, thumbs it up and share with your friends. Share the good news.